From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for December 29th, 2015. In just a moment, we're going to be taking a look at the AUDUSD, the Australian versus US dollar, for today's trade analysis. But first, a recap of the analysis from yesterday. Most currency pairs are in the same ranges, same areas of congestion that we spoke about in yesterday's analysis video. So if you missed that, I definitely suggest going back and taking a look at yesterday's analysis video. For all of the currency pairs like the US franc, the euro dollar, USCAD, US yen, even the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, most of those currency pairs pretty much in the same areas that they were yesterday. So if you missed yesterday's video, please take a look at that. That will cover all those other pairs. For today, taking a look at two specific pairs. First off here on the GBPUSD, this is the pair that has probably had the most exciting movement since the beginning of the trade week during this holiday trading mode week. Very cautious during trading during this shortened holiday week between Christmas and New Year's. But we see, of course, the long-term downtrend here for the pound dollar. We have seen the fall offer resistance again and a challenge of the support lows. Look down here at the very bottom right-hand corner of the chart. It found resistance at the orange shaded area the past 2 days. Now we're challenging the second attempt down here at the 1.4800 level at the very bottom right-hand corner of the chart. Zoom it in a couple of times, take a look. There's your resistance at the orange zone. There's your support at the purple zone. This does not entice me to go short. I know it's been going down for the past 24 hours or so, but again, this is into a historical support level. You see the support here, you see the support here. Above 1.4800. Does not entice me to go short here. In fact, watching for clues to support could potentially produce a signal for a reversal. Anything above the orange shaded area over time, we look for it to go higher. The other opportunity, of course, may be a breakout underneath 1.4800. Might look for it to go back down again. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Squeeze it out, zoom it out a little bit like this. You can see the challenge and test of the purple shaded area. Today, as long as it's within, or maybe even back above that purple zone, 1.4835, we might look for another challenge back up here towards the orange zone. With no significant news this week, be cautious, especially here during this holiday week. Be cautious of false breakouts. Don't fall prey to a false breakout. I would definitely watch for support here above 48, potential to go back to the orange zone, but a breakout under the purple zone underneath 4800 could produce a little bit of a continued fall for the for the pound dollar. Now moving over to the Australian dollar, we have been studying this triangle pattern for several weeks here in the trade analysis and live trade room. Triangle pattern between the two red trend lines. Zoom it in a little bit here on the daily time frame. You can see the rise on the blue trend line, the fall on the blue trend line, the rise on the green trend line, the fall on the green trend line. And right now we're in a little bit of the rise phase that's been going up from the bottom of the triangle. I think there's still a little bit of room to go before we reach the top of the triangle up here towards the purple shaded area at the very top of the triangle pattern. So that's definitely a resistance target there. Let's go ahead and zoom it in one more time. You can see that for the past couple of days we've been stuck inside this gold or orange shaded area between 72.48, we'll call it 72.50, and 72.75. We've been stuck inside that gold zone. So for the day today, basically what we're going to be looking for is a breakout, either above it to go higher or below it to go lower. We know if it goes lower, there's a good chance it takes a tumble back down here to the orange zone. A breakout is the thing to look for today. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, zoom it out one more time. You can see just bouncing around in here. What I would look for is a breakout. If we're going to target the top of the triangle, the purple shaded area at the top of the chart, we need a breakout above 72.75 to give us confidence it's going to continue to go higher. That's what the blue circle and the red circle are there for. Breakout into the blue circle, we look for it to go higher towards the 7300, 7320 level, the purple shaded area. Open and close, breakout underneath the gold shaded area. Inside the red circle, we look for it to continue lower down towards the orange shaded area. And open and close to me, an open and close of a single candle body is what I mean by a breakout when I'm looking for that turn higher or lower for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.